Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a sitemap to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for that, what you can do is simply head over to your search bar on the top and search in here for sitemap. Let me just correct that. Now the point to be noted here is that you need to be searching that for in Shopify App Store. So let's just head over to that, and here you will be having various integrations related to sitemaps. You have your sitemap with indexes and without indexes. So it is gonna be really easy to add on. So choose something that has a solid rating and offers a free trial or a free plan. So of course, if it has a free plan, it's going to be permanent. If it has a free trial, it is going to be limited. So installing any of these will be enabling you to incorporate sitemap onto your platform or the website that you're building. So that's how simple it is. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.